Hi everyone, how are you all? So my name is Ishesh Paul and welcome to my channel Ishesh Paul Mathswala. In previous video we have discussed a simple question regarding giving some parameters and asking us to find the value of all this capital R, small r, R1, R2, R3. In similar manner, I have brought another question for you as given here. Here the question has given us that A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14 and cos C. He had given a trigonometric ratio value. Cos C is equal to minus 5 by 13. Right? And he is asking us to find the value of all these parameters. Radius of the circumcircle capital R, radius of the incircle small r, radius of the excircles R1, R2 and R3. The questionnaire is asking us to find the value of all these parameters. Okay, let's proceed. A, B and cos C. These are the values he had given to us. Okay. Now for finding capital R is nothing but A, B, C by 4 into area of triangle delta. Right? He had given us these parameters. It is the data that the questionnaire has given to us, but he has not given the area of the triangle. Right? It means we need to find it. We need to find the area of the triangle. Okay? Delta is equal to half A B into sine C. Okay? Area of the triangle is always positive, right? We are given that cos C is equal to minus 5 by 13. C base by hypotenuse 5 by 13. Here this negative sign indicates the quadrant. So 13. So 5, 13, right angle. So here it is going to be 12. Right? So sin C is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. Half into A. A is nothing but 13. 13. And B is nothing but 14. 4. 4 into sin C. Sin C is nothing but 12 by 13. Okay. Here 13, 13 gets cancelled 2, 2. So area of the triangle is going to be 24. Okay. For finding capital R, ABC by 4 delta, we need to find two parameters, C and area of the triangle. We have found area of the triangle using the basic area formula. Area of the triangle half AB sin C. Okay. Similarly, we need to find C. Right? For finding C, I am going to use sine rule. A no, instead of using sine rule, it's better to use cosine rule. Cosine rule says that C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos C. Right? C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos C. For finding C square is equal to A square. It's nothing but 13 square plus B is nothing but 4. 4 square minus 2 into 13 into 4 into cos C. Cos C is nothing but minus 5 by 13. After simplifying all this, finally we are going to get the value of C as 15. C square is equal to 13 square 169 plus 4 square 16 minus minus plus 13 13 gets cancelled. 2 4 8 5 8 is 40. C square is equal to 225. So C is equal to 50. This is how we can find. So we can find the parameter C. It's nothing but side of a triangle. Okay. Let's move on further. We need to find the radius of the circumcircle capital R. Capital R is nothing but A 13 into B 4 into C 15 by 4 into the area of the triangle 24. 4 gets cancelled, 5, 8. So 15 into 13, 65 by 8. Okay. So the radius of the circle is going to be 65 by 8. Okay. A task is over. Now we have got remained with these 4 tasks. Finding the radius of the value of all 4 parameters. Let's move for smaller. Okay. Small r is equal to delta by s. We have got the value of delta, which is nothing but 24. But we don't have the parameter s. S is nothing but semi-perimeter. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Right? We have got the values of a, b and c. Right? Let me substitute it here. 13 plus 4 plus 15 by 2 is nothing but 16. So semi-perimeter is going to be 16. Okay? Now delta by s. Delta is nothing but 24 by s is nothing but 16. 8 2s are 8 3s is equal to 3 by 2. It means the radius of the in circle. It is going to be 3 by 2. Okay? Let's move on further. Now, we need to find the value of R1. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. Right? I am just using the basic formulas. Right? Capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. You've been observing from the beginning. Okay? Delta area of the triangle, which is nothing but 24 by S. S is nothing but 16. 16 minus A. A is nothing but 13. 13. Which is nothing but 8. So 24 by 3, which is nothing but 8. R1 is going to be 8. Okay, similarly R2. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. Delta is nothing but 24. 24 by S. S is nothing but 16 minus B. B is nothing but 4 is equal to 24 by 12 is equal to 2. Okay. Here we got the value of R2. Similarly, let me find the value for R3. R3 is equal to delta by S minus C is equal to 24 by 16 minus C is nothing but 5. 15. So it is going to be 24. So the value of R3, radius of the X circle is going to be 24. This is how we can find the parameters capital R, small r, R1, R2, R3 as per the given data. Okay, that's it for this video. For further problems, we'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.